welcome back to my channel. Today my 9-year-old daughter is going to be making an arrangement with these beautiful sempervivums. So we're just going to go ahead and let her do her thing. This pot I got, it's not a pot, it's a bowl that I got from the Goodwill. I really liked the texture, the way it looked. I'm like, wow, this is perfect for some plants. It's got the perfect depth to it. It's a good size bowl for it. So yeah, it was only 79 cents and it was made in Thailand, so that's pretty cool. I really like this pot or bowl, whatever you want to call it. And then I made the line with the grinder. So we're just gonna go ahead and let her take it away. You want to say hi?
Hi, succulent lovers.
Let me hold this. There we go. So Kayla, why do you like succulents?
Because they're pretty and I like the colors. And I like how they come in I like how there's so many of them.
There's so many different types?
Yeah.
You like that they have colors and they're not like flowers, where flowers, they die quickly?
Yeah.
They look like flowers, right?
This one especially.
Well, some of them, yes. A lot of them look like flowers. Especially like pink ones.
Is this enough dirt?
I think you could put maybe a little bit more. So we're trying not to get dirt on the plants themselves. Okay, that's good.
Now, I want to put this one. Right.
But you gotta make a hole for it.
Right.
A little bit more, babe. You can go like this. Let me show you a little bit, and then you can do the next ones. See, like that, and then you push the dirt around. But make sure, because these sempervivum has leaves that are pointing down. It's a little bit difficult. It's not like the other ones where you have to kind of lift it up a little bit. See, like look right here, and push down the roots, and then push in the dirt. You gotta do the whole thing all around it. So these are a little bit more difficult than your regular succulents. How about in the front? Do you need me to lift it up in the front a little bit so you can push the dirt in? So push the roots down and then push the dirt in. You got it?
Yeah, just have to put this right here.
Don't be scared to pack it. It's good. It's okay to pack it. Okay.
There we go.
Yeah, this one might be easier because her leaves are not pointing down.
Ooh, I like this one because it has a baby on the side.
I
don't want to do this one. Are these separate?
No, they were together. Just try to. I think they look good together. Yeah. But they fell.
I'm gonna make a hole. It's gonna get in this one.
It's okay. Just push it. We'll clean it up.
I think that's good.
Do you like when mommy gets succulents?
Yeah.
Which one do you prefer? The ones that come in the mail or the ones when I buy them at the store?
The ones that come in the mail.
Why?
I don't know. I don't know. They're like nicer.
Is it like a surprise?
Yeah. I like when you unbox it. There. I think that's good. All done.
Okay.
I think they're a little close. Yeah.
This one is going to be pretty difficult. Her leaves are pointing down. But that's because they were looking, she's all open because she was looking for sun. Try to make it a little bit deeper. Oopsie, I put dirt all over. It needs to go a little bit deeper, babe. The roots are sticking out.
It's some breeze.
Yeah, push the dirt around.
There we go.
This
Next one.
is the difficult one. I mean, you could leave her sticking out a little bit, I guess. Make the hole pretty deep. Here we go. This one, tilt it a little bit. Go ahead. You can take that out.
Oh. There's a nice rock. No, it wasn't that hard.
Take that out. What is that? Is it roots?
Yeah.
Is it? It is. I guess it is roots. No, like this down.
In there.
Hold on. Pain in the booties. Okay, and
Rocks.
we're gonna dress it up and then we'll be back. Okay guys, we're all set. We dressed it up. Here's the final product. Looks great. Kayla did an awesome job. What do you think, Kayla?
I like it.
You like it?
Yes, I'm proud of myself.
You're proud of yourself?
Yeah.
Silly Ed.
Bye guys. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and have a blessed day. Bye.